Hi again, out on my long walk here in the Klinte neighborhood. It's not that nice weather today, gray, kind of cold. The color is nice, I think. I'm more and more convinced that everything is connected, and it's very important to change our system and not have people have too much power, because that's also a system. If you get too much power, you will change in your structure, sexually, mentally, socially, your values, and that have changed during history. I think it's been the same in all history. All people with power get the same problem after a while, and we must change that. It's not only to get the best idea from the bottom in the system, it's also to save people from getting there, because it's sick, and of course they want more and more and more, and human sacrifice, animal sacrifice, it's not enough. After a while you must have a war, next war. And they have arranged them all. We are just sitting here and as spectators and do not understand how they function, because we don't think in those terms. We don't have that problems with too much power. It would be much better to get more equal power, equal sexuality as well. I hope people will start understand now that we are all connected in systems, and we have a new world order, and have had it for a long time now. But it will end. I'm totally convinced that it will end. Bye bye.